In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same task over and over, or you have a recurring checklist you want to reuse, knowing how to duplicate tasks will save you a lot of time and effort. First, make sure you have Microsoft To Do open on your device. This can be on your computer, through the desktop app or web browser, or on your mobile phone or tablet. Navigate to the list that contains the task you want to copy. This might be something like a personal list, a work list, or any custom list you've created. Take a moment to locate the exact task you'd like to duplicate, especially if your list is long. Once you've found the task you want to copy, move your mouse over it if you're on a computer. You don't need to open the task's detail pane. All you need is to select it in the list. Now, right-click directly on that task. A small menu will appear with a few options related to that task. On mobile, the action is slightly different. Instead of right-clicking, you'll press and hold on the task. Just keep your finger on it for a moment until a similar menu or options bar appears. When that menu is visible, look for the option labeled Duplicate Task. This is the command that creates a copy of your selected task. Go ahead and click or tap on Duplicate Task. As soon as you do that, Microsoft To Do will create a new task that's an exact copy of the original. It will usually appear right below the original task in the same list. The duplicated task will include the same title as the original. If the original task had notes, a due date, or other details, those are typically carried over as well, depending on your version of the app. This makes it especially useful for repeating structures like weekly prep checklists, project templates, or standard procedures you follow often. After duplicating, it's a good idea to quickly review the new task. Click or tap on it to open its details. Here you can change the name to better fit its new purpose, adjust the due date, or tweak any notes you may have copied over. Think of the duplicate as a starting point that you can customize rather than something that has to stay identical. If you need multiple copies, you can repeat this same process as many times as you like. Right-click or long press the original, select Duplicate Task, and you'll have another copy ready to go. You can also duplicate one of the copies if you've already customized it and want that version to be your template moving forward. Using duplicate instead of recreating tasks manually helps keep your lists consistent and reduces the chance of forgetting important details. It also speeds up your workflow, especially if you rely on similar tasks in different projects or across different lists. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking or long pressing the task you want to reuse and choosing Duplicate Task, you can quickly copy tasks in Microsoft To Do and keep your productivity system organized and efficient.